G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. I found that test pattern disc and I'm going to play it in a sec, but I thought I'd inform you that the picture is a bit unstable, or is rather unstable without a video signal going in. I might adjust the vertical hold, see if that... Okay, that's fixed the problem. Might have to increase the range of the vertical hold perhaps, but yeah. Let's put the disc in and output a test pattern, the classic Indian head test pattern. Okay, picture is pretty unstable. Back her up. Right, I'm just going to have to adjust the hold till I get a stable picture. There we go. Picture is now stable. Now I need to adjust the height a bit. Alright. Anyway, so looking at the picture, actually, yeah, the linearity actually looks a lot better. It's actually, the circle looks more like a circle than it did before I installed that modification circuit. So yeah, definitely a great improvement. The focusing looks a bit. It looks good towards the bottom right, but it looks rather how you're going to the top left corner. I'll have to look at the schematic to see if there's an electronic focal adjustment. The linearity definitely looks a lot better. Definitely better by far. The picture kind of looks a bit, I don't know, underscanned, because it pretty much goes outside of the picture tube area. I can't remember in the previous setup whether the picture, whether I saw more of the picture or not. So I'll just have to look at some previous videos to find out about that. But anyhow, another thing too, the picture actually looks a lot more dimmer too. It looks a lot more dimmer than it did in the previous setup. I've increased the brightness and it actually pretty much further underscans the image, making it more wider. So I have to adjust it so it looks somewhat decent. So probably about there. Yeah, the picture does look rather dim. I'm gonna have to talk to my mate John and yeah, see what he says about that. So we need to get the contrast up. I'll have to look for the contrast control on the circuit diagram and see if I can adjust that. I can't remember where the contrast control is. It's definitely not on the front panel here of adjustment knobs. So yeah, I'll have to look for it on the schematic. Alrighty, I'll go to the next test pattern and see how that looks. Okay. But yeah, the focus is, like I said, it's can't remember if it was any better before I implemented that mod circuit, but I mean it looks okay. But yeah, as said, up in the top left hand side, the focus here is rather off compared to more towards the bottom. Another thing too, I'm going to have to rotate the yoke to get the picture nice and straight, because it is a bit slanted. And if you're just watching a program, you probably wouldn't notice it, but when you look at the test pattern, it just really sticks out. Alrighty viewers, I'm going to conclude this video now. I'm really pleased that the mod circuit works, and the picture does actually look a hell of a lot better. And yeah, I'm gonna just message John and ask about the brightness contrast issue and see if we can electronically fix that. Also, yeah, after I get the picture looking good, the next step is to directly tap the audio into the audio amplification circuits, so I can directly input audio to the set as well. I haven't gotten onto the audio side of things yet because I've been primarily focused on getting a good picture. But that's pretty much the next step once I've got the picture looking good. Alrighty. Well, anyway, I'm really pleased that the set actually works. I haven't made any wiring mistakes, and no components have fried or anything, at least not yet. Alright, that's about it for this video. Stay tuned for my next update. This is Troy from the Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.